As a traveler who values video and photography, it is important for me to have a camera bag on my trip that I can use as a carry-on and double as my everyday carry. And that's what I got out of the PRVKE from Wandrd. I chose to get the 31-liter version, which came in at about $325. That is on the mid to upper range of a camera bag. Later in this video, I will show you exactly how I packed the bag. Before we jump into it, what defines a great travel bag? I think there are 6 distinct qualities that every traveler looks for in a bag, and we'll go through each one of them. Number 1, airline compliance. It has to work with the airlines if you're going to buy this bag for travel. This bag easily complies with all the domestic and international carry-on dimensions per the FAA. Most airlines require any personal item to fit within a carry-on bag that is 22 inches by 14 inches by 9 inches, and this bag measures at 21 by 12 by 7. So this does not include the expandable top. That's when this is all rolled down, and all airlines can vary. So it is important to look up whichever airline you may be flying with just to confirm. But this bag fit comfortably underneath an airline seat for me, and therefore it's not likely to be an issue. Weighing in at 3.4 pounds, this is not a light option for a carry-on bag. Weight limits can vary depending on your airline and your seat, but you should look those up before traveling. We flew in business class on Cathay Pacific to Tokyo, so weight was not really an issue for us on this trip. Next up, internal storage and organization. Let's start with the back flap. There are 2 sleeves. A laptop sleeve that is 13.5 inches high and 10.5 inches wide, and a tablet sleeve that is 12.5 inches high and 10.5 inches wide. This comfortably fit my MacBook Pro and iPad mini with a case. Moving to the inside of the bag, there's a dedicated camera storage area. Now, this is the compartment where the Wandrd camera storage cube goes if you get the photography package. This is an extra purchase. It does not come with the bag or with camera dividers. You can also use this bag without this compartment for any type of gear or clothing. It is spacious, and my camera body and lens fit with plenty of room for an extra lens, wireless mic, or external storage devices. There is a top zip compartment with mesh see-through cover for your other gear storage area in the clamshell opening. This becomes a catch-all spot for me. I used it for cables, extra gear, and clothes. This is also accessible from the top of the bag and the clamshell opening, but it is important to keep that organized. There's a small, easily accessible top pocket with a soft fleece lining and rubber-coated single zipper. This is great for easy-to-access things like earpods, keys, or even a small first aid kit. Moving to the sides, we have a small pocket with a zipper expander. This is suitable for a small water bottle, but I actually found that it didn't really hold the water bottle that well, and instead it was very suitable for a tripod or a selfie stick with that cinched down buckle strap on the side. The second side pocket is specific for photo organization. It has an SD card storage compartment with a Velcro pocket underneath. This can be useful for stashing camera tools or extra connection points. Slightly above this, there's a small pocket with a key clip. It is a plastic clip, which surprises me as the rest of the bag seems to be built a lot more durable. Dual rubber-coated zippers are located on almost every pocket and open, which allows you to feel secure with light rain or moisture and enables you to lock your gear if needed. Now, let's get into the exterior features. The top of the bag has the signature Wandrd expandable roll-top opening with a cinched-down strap made from a rugged metal clip. This is accompanied by magnetic tote handles for another carrying or hanging point. Easy access flat panel front pocket with luggage handle pass-through straps is located just on the front of the bag. These straps can also be moved to another location, but we'll get to that later in the video. Straps are equipped with an adjustable and over-engineered buckle with a cinch-down system. The over-engineering continues on the actual backpack straps. The top is equipped with daisy chain straps that allow for 8 connection points on each strap. Continuing on the shoulder straps going down, on one side you have 2 elastic straps to tuck items in or under or hook them onto. They could come in handy for a quick hold of something to get your hands free. And on the other side is a flat nylon strap for a more secure connection point. There are cinched down straps on both sides of the bag and a front chest strap which includes a buckle clip. The straps all have elastic loops for a premier strap organization look. The bottom of the shoulder straps are attached to the bag with a thick triangle nylon attachments. Under those attachments are two large loop straps, and these can be used to attach the weight belt for a more secure carry. I, however, did not use this during my trip. I felt the bag was easy to carry without it. Hidden under the bag are 4 more durable nylon loops. You can move your front straps here to create a hammock-style storage on the bottom of your bag, good for a tripod or a blanket. You can also order extra premium or the regular accessory straps from Wandrd to really kit your bag out with add-ons. Add-ons tend to be a common theme with Wandrd. If you're willing to spend a little bit more, there's plenty you can add to this bag. This rounds things out with bag attachment points at about 26 that I found. On the very bottom of the bag is a zipper pocket that is protected by a foldable piece of nylon which holds the rain cover in place. We did come into a situation where I had to use it, and it was very nice to have. There's a passport pocket located on the back of this bag, and when I refer to back, I mean the actual part of the bag that rests up against your lower back to keep your items in there safe and secure while you're in transit. The exterior zippers are AquaGuard equipped to keep water out, and the zipper pulls are a mix of loop and pinch attachments. Both of them have a premium feel in the hand and ease of use while zipping and unzipping the backpack. Next up, efficiency and access of your bag. The expandable roll top makes the top mesh compartment very easy to access from the top or the clamshell opening. As long as you pack neatly. If you overstuff the top of this bag and use it as just a catch-all place to throw a bunch of things in, then it becomes a jumbled mess when you reach in from the top. You want to avoid that. The ability to have it expand is a nice feature for storing coats or layers on trips where your environment may change. I personally did not love the look of this expandable top, but it came in to be very functional when we were carrying extra things on long outings during our trip. As you can see, I made use of this roll top, full use of the roll top capability. But I'm packed out with all my camera gear and basically a packing cube with a rain jacket, an extra long sleeve shirt, extra short sleeve shirt, and a hoodie. So you could mix and match that, carry stuff with your partner, but this roll top capability is great to have. Now, I feel like it is pretty bulky. This is how it looks on me with the roll top fully used up. Now, if you just want your camera gear in there, how flat that packs down, rolls, cinches, it's almost like a different bag. You can access the main camera compartment through this quick access side pocket. If packed strategically, you can pull out your main camera from this side pocket and slide it right back in as the bag slides back across your shoulder. This is a great feature for ease of use and access of your camera. The top pocket and side small pocket were very convenient when it came to storing quick and easy access items, extra batteries, portable chargers, or a wireless mic setup. There is not too much room though in these side pockets as far as depth goes. Moving on to security and stamina. How secure do you feel with this bag on you that your stuff is safe and sound? And how long is this thing gonna last? To me, the bag is extremely durable and rugged. It is not fully waterproof when submerged, but it's about as close as you can get. Hopefully from the visuals that you've gotten, you can tell that this bag is over-engineered and has a very rugged outdoor type of feel. So if you're walking around with this bag and taking photos or pictures in a city or a mountain, the terrain does not matter. This will be able to pick it up, dust it off, and keep everything inside safe and sound. The expandable roll-up top is not lockable, like it would be with a dual zipper function, but I found that when I clipped the bag, cinched it down, and gave it a very secure feel. The bad guys could obviously get into this bag if they had time, but in a crowded area, it would take a pro to loosen this strap, unhook it from the clamp, roll the top of the bag up, and then reach into your bag. The passport pocket on the back side gave a great feel of security when traveling in crowded public places. Finally, it comes down to the look and feel of the bag. Now, this doesn't matter to me. I'm not the one buying the bag. You're the one looking into buying the bag. So this is me, 6 feet tall, wearing the 31-liter PRVKE, lightly packed. And then this is the bag, heavily packed with that roll top portion completely used up. Wandrd has since come out with a PRVKE Lite, which softens the whole look and feel of this bag if you're looking for more of a minimalistic look. If you like things bigger and you like things better and you want more hooks and attachment points than you can ever need, then I definitely would recommend getting the PRVKE. You will not run out of attachment points or different little side pockets to store pieces of gear in. Now, the second version of this bag has upgrades made to the straps and the mesh back portion that make it more breathable and more comfortable to carry. I do think both of those upgrades would be amazing features for this bag. The hidden passport pocket is also a little bit more discreet. This bag, now the version 1, it's clearly outlined, so if the bag is just sitting there, you can see what would be used for. And there's an upgrade to the fleece line pocket and the laptop closures. Those I think would be the two best upgrades in the version 2. It provides a lot more organization and also looks pretty cool. Now, let's show you exactly how I packed this bag for a 2-week trip to Asia. This is everything that I fit in the bag for the flight. You can see I have cameras, camera gear in there, some things that I might need for my in-flight experience, and the bag is fully kitted out. This has been my go-to travel bag for big and small trips, especially when it comes to bringing any photo or video equipment. I found it very practical, very useful, and most importantly, rugged to handle any kind of trips, falls, stumbles, or outdoor experiences that we're having when we're out and about. Do you have a go-to travel bag? I would love to hear about it if you drop a comment below. If you have found value in this video, it would be amazing if you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.